high fever. At very serious issue na po yan para sa atin na mga magulang. Ini-introduce ko po sa inyo si Drug Cooler. Herbal cooling body towel po ito. It is proven to be 2 times more effective than water wipes in reducing fever. Gentle on the skin with 100% natural herbal extract. Ang ingredients po niya is glycerin, lime which is 2 times better fever reduction efficiency than normal water. Tilia-cora triandra leaf extract helps expand pores for cooling. Zingiber extract help reduce the inflammation of the skin. And last, peppermint oil helps cool breathing and breathe more comfortably. Mga ka-vlogs, nakikita niyo naman sa video, hindi ko mapunasan ng maayos si baby. Kasi nga, super iyak-iyak na siya dyan, nagwawala pa. Face, neck, arms, and legs lang po napunasan ko dyan. Kita niyo naman pagkapunas ko, tinem ko na siya agad-agad. Mabuti na lang may naka-prepare kami, may nakatago kami, may stock kami na drug cooler. Kaya kung taasin ng lagnat ang mga anak nyo, ay suggest i-drug cooler nyo na. Thank you for watching. Add to cart na.